हेलो फ्रेंड्स। डेली न्यूज़पेपर डिक्टेशन आपके कोर्ट एसएससी या फिर लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। At least 10 people died and 25 were injured when a passenger train traveling from Visakhapatnam to Raigada derailed after colliding with the Visakhapatnam Palasa passenger train near Kothavalasa railway station in Vizianagaram district of Andhra Pradesh around 7 p.m. on Sunday. Para. This was the third railway accident since June 2nd when the Coromandel Express crashed into a stationary freight train in Odisha's Balasore, leading to the loss of 296 lives and 1,200 suffered injuries. On October 11, 5 people died and 30 were injured when the Delhi Kamakha Northeast Express derailed in Bihar's Buxar. Para. Sunday's accident occurred when the Visakhapatnam Palasa train was switching from the main track to a side track. Simultaneously, the Visakhapatnam Raigada train traveling on the main track near ended the other train, leading to the derailment of the last 3 coaches upon impact and damaging 2 severely. Vizianagaram SP Deepika Patel confirmed that at least 10 persons were killed and over 25 were seriously injured in the accident. 4 coaches of the Raigada passenger train were involved. However, East Coast Railways Voltaire Division manager Saurabh Prasad said 3 coaches were involved in the accident. Para. As the coaches were unreserved, the details of the deceased passengers remain unknown. Officials fear that the toll may increase as some passengers may still be trapped inside the mangled coaches. Locals from nearby Kantakapalli village quickly initiated relief and rescue operations. They pulled out the trapped passengers and shifted the injured to hospitals. However, the pitch dark conditions hampered these efforts. Authorities deployed emergency lights to assist police, railway personnel, and other officials in the rescue effort. NDRF and SDRF teams were mobilized and ambulances were dispatched from Anakapalli and Visakhapatnam to attend to the injured.